Hello, my name is Seung-Hwan Shin from ZU. When I run the game, you will see the main menu, and if you press enter, game will start. And you can control the snake with the arrow keys, and if you eat food on the screen, your score goes up and the snake grows in ranks. If you press space, game becomes autopilot mode, and if you press space up one more time, you can control the snake again. Finally, if you hit the boundary or snake itself, you can see the game over screen and you can press enter to restart. Something like this. Now let's briefly look at how the code is organized. The game starts from the main.py, which initialized and run the game class. And game class, like here, handles switching between the menu, game, and game over screen by checking the instance of the current screen. And snake class, food, and score classes are responsible for their own behaviors. And finally, the autopilot class is only responsible for autopilot feature. It's like toggle the autopilot mode. Okay, now let's get into how I apply solid principle. I mainly focused on single responsibility principle. For example, snake class only handles the snake related logic. Also, my code is extendable without modifying existing functionality, which follows the open-closed principle. For example, if I wanted to add different types of food with varying effect, I could do so by simply extending the food class without touching the rest of the game. And the game screen class interact with the snake and food classes indirectly. Instead of directly manipulating their internal states, game screen calls the method like snake.update and food.check collision, letting each class handles its own states. This decouples the game logic from specific implementations, making the code more flexible and easier to maintain. Additionally, autopilot doesn't need to know how the snake moves internally. It simply calls snake.change direction to automate the snake movement. So that's a quick overview of my snake game and how solid principle helps make the code cleaner and easier to manage. Thank you for watching.